Hey there, future homeowners. Welcome back to our series on the 7 baby steps to buying a home. Today, we're diving into step 6, the appraisal, a major checkpoint that helps make sure you're getting a fair deal on your new home. If you missed step 5 on home inspections, click that link right there and we'll take you there. Now that we've gotten through the home inspection, the appraisal is the next step to confirm the property's value and protect your investment. And before we dive in, if you haven't taken the time to subscribe to our YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? This is video number 6. Clearly you don't hate us yet, so show us a little love and just click the button. It literally takes less than a second. I'll wait. All right, thank you. Here's how the appraisal works. Your lender will send out a licensed appraiser who will visit the property to complete an in-depth evaluation. They'll measure each room, check out key systems like heating, cooling, and plumbing, and look over the home's condition overall. You can think of it as a value check to confirm that the property aligns with the loan amount. But it doesn't stop there. The appraiser also reviews recent sales in the neighborhood. They compare the home you're buying to other similar properties that have sold nearby in the last few months. Similar to what we did when we wrote your offer in baby step 4, but they do a much deeper dive than we, as agents, are able to do. This includes looking at things like square footage, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and even any unique features, so we get a fair and accurate value. So why is this step so important? Well, lenders want to make sure the home is worth the price you're paying. They typically won't lend more than the appraised value, which acts as a safeguard for you as well. This way, we can be confident you're paying a fair price and we avoid any little surprises down the line. Now, when the appraisal report comes back, we might see a few different results. Here's what each one means. At value or above with no work orders. This is the best case scenario. The property value aligns with or exceeds the purchase price and no additional repairs are flagged. This means we're clear to move forward. At value or above with work orders. The home appraised at the right value, but there are a few safety items noted. These could be minor things like adding a railing or fixing a stair. Not to worry, we'll discuss how to address these if they come up. Below value with no work orders. This one means the home's appraised value is less than the purchase price. In this case, we can go back to the seller and negotiate so you're not overpaying. Below value with work orders. The home appraised lower than expected and there are safety issues flagged. This could mean we negotiate further or ask the seller to make repairs. Let's go over an example. Suppose during the home inspection it came up that the roof might only have a few years left. If the appraiser also flags the roof as needing replacement, the lender could require that this repair be done before approving the loan. The good news? When we're this close to closing, it's common for sellers to take care of these repairs to keep the sale on track. If they choose not to, we'll have some more options to explore together. An appraisal that comes in above value is also great news. If your new home's appraised value is higher than your purchase price, you'll be walking into your new home with instant equity, meaning the home is worth more than you paid. That's always a nice bonus. Now, you might be wondering, what if the appraisal feels like a roadblock? Don't worry, I've guided many clients through this exact process and I'm here to help with any of these scenarios. Whether it's addressing repairs or negotiating with the seller, we'll make sure you're fully prepared every step of the way. And remember, none of these scenarios are new. We've handled all kinds of appraisal results, so you're in good hands. Our goal is to make sure you're confident and informed as we approach closing day. So that's baby step 6. We're getting close to the finish line, and I'm thrilled to be on this journey with you. Remember, if you have any questions about the appraisal process or anything else, feel free to call, text, or message me. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to share our final baby step 7, closing and recording, with you next. I'll see you there.